Draw the following. Here we are on question number 3rd of our last exercise 4.5, chapter 4th, mathematics class 8th, chapter name practical geometry. It says we need to construct a rectangle with edges and sides of lengths 5 cm and 4 cm. Since we are not provided with the name of vertices, therefore we must assume our vertices. Here we assumed we are going to construct a rectangle whose name should be OKAY. Here OK is continuous, therefore it must be the side which is provided to us as 5 cm. So we wrote the same. Another adjacent side we considered KA, whose measurement is provided to us as 4 cm. So we have represented in our assumption the information provided to us in question number 3rd. With this information, we will try to construct a rough sketch we also mark as step 0. Since we know the figure of rectangle very well, so we constructed a figure of rectangle in our rough sketch, keeping in mind one of the dimensions should be greater because it is provided to us in the question itself. So we took the vertices as anti-clockwise manner, so we wrote OKAY. It is your preference, you can take it in clockwise direction as well. Longest side, we put its measurement as 5 cm. If it is 5 cm, opposite side will be 5 cm. Nothing fancy, just the properties of rectangle. Another adjacent side is 4 cm, that is KA. This indirectly means that opposite side, that is YO, will also be equal to 4 cm. With this, we have successfully constructed a rough sketch, which we marked as step number 0. Pause it and try to construct it yourself with your own preferences. So in step number 1st, we simply construct line segment OK with actual measurement from the ruler and jot it down as 5 cm, putting its vertices as O and K, the same as we did in rough sketch. Step number 2nd, since we know that all the internal angles are 90 degrees of a rectangle, so we need to construct 90 degrees at vertex O and K. Since it is 5 cm, so adjusting our compasses at a distance of 2 cm would be adequate. So we readjusted our compasses at a distance of 2 cm, put our needle over here and constructed this arc, putting the needle at that place and try to intersect the previously drawn arc like this. We get this intersection point. Now we put a needle over here and again try to intersect previously constructed arc like this. Now we put a needle at here and try to construct the arc like this. Now we put a needle over here and try to intersect the previously constructed arc like this. Wherever it intersected, this point gives us the reference point to construct 90 degrees. So using dotted lines, we constructed 90 degrees using this point and this vertex O. Pause it and try to construct 90 degrees at vertex O yourself. The same process has to be done at vertex K. So without changing the dimension of compasses that was set to 2 cm, we put our needle at K and construct this arc like this. Now we put our needle at this intersection point with line segment OK and construct this arc like this. This is our 60 degrees. Now we put our needle at this intersection point and construct this arc like this. That gives us 120 degrees. Now we put our needle over here and construct this arc like this. Again, we put our needle at this intersection point and try to intersect this previously constructed arc like this. This is the reference point for our 90 degrees. And with the help of dotted lines, we constructed line segment using ruler. That is our 90 degrees. So these both are rays because they do not have endpoint, just an originating point. That completes step number 2nd. Pause it and try to construct 90 degrees at vertex K yourself. In step number 3, we need to mark 4 cm on these previously constructed dotted lines. So we readjusted our compasses at a distance of 4 cm, put our needle at O and intersected these dotted lines at vertex Y. The same practice is done on vertex K. We put the needle at K and intersected these previously constructed line segments and jotted down the intersection point as vertex A. Step number 3 is completed. try to construct it yourself. In step number 4, we simply connect with the help of ruler vertices YA. And we make our work tidy by jotting down all the internal angles equal to 90 degrees and copying all the dimensions from our rough sketch into our final sketch. That is 4 and 5 cm as dimensions alternatively. That completes our step 4. Again pause it and try to construct it yourself. With this we have constructed question number 3rd of exercise 4.5, chapter 4th, mathematics class 8th, practical geometry.